welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2-ingredient brownies using a toaster oven. If you're in a college dorm room, you just come back to school, or you have a small kitchen, I recommend making these and allowing the aroma of chocolatey pumpkin goodness to spread and help make this sticky bread. For this recipe, I'm using a Dash toaster oven that I purchased on Amazon. I'll link that product down below. To start off, I'm going to combine 1 box of brownie mix with 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin. Once you've mixed together the pumpkin and the brownie mix, just spray your brownie pan with olive oil cooking spray and pour in the rest of the brownie batter. Your toaster oven to 350 degrees. You then want to pop it in there for between 15 and 25 minutes. A lot of toaster oven temperatures may vary, so keep an eye on these brownies and make sure that they cool. And when your brownies are done, just pop them out, let them cool for 5 minutes, and enjoy.